fourth graders. Today we are going to play a game of Tic Qac Toe. This is a fun rhythm game where I will clap something, one of the boxes of the tic-tac-toe board, and then you will have to figure out what I clap. And then you will move your X or your O, whichever you are, into that spot. Okay, you're pretty much going to be playing by yourself for the first one. Second time around, I would like for you to grab someone in your family, and I would like for you to play it with someone in your family. Okay, here we go. So let's say you're going to be, you choose X's or O's, okay? And then I will let you pretend drag your little X or your O wherever you think I am at. So, first one. Ready, begin. Okay, hopefully you said that was number one, because it was. Okay, this is my second example. Here we go. Rest. Okay. Next one. Ready, begin. Rest. Okay. You should have a tic-tac-toe, a diagonal, starting with 1, 5, and 9. Okay, let's do it one more time. Ready, begin. Rest. Okay. Next. Next. Okay, that one was kind of hard, but I did 5, 6, and then 4. So you should have a horizontal line as a winner. Okay, now I would like you to take this and to play with someone in your family. Have fun!